Smoking in the backyard, crashing a gas star. Blunts to the face when I race like it's NASCAR. Bitch, I've been my own plug, growing on my own drugs. Step into the...
Hello boys, we are having out here today this beauty. Yes sir, we are gonna test ride something that sounds just like that. This is an Aprilia Tuono V4 factory 2024. We're gonna have some fun with it. Yep, sounds good. Looks good. Let's head up to the ride. Okay, so far so good. I missed riding a 1000 and man, holy, this is a beast. Well. Holy Jesus, sounds so good. Okay. Jesus Christ, we're gonna leave because those guys might actually call the cops on us. I'm not gonna lie to you. Jesus Christ. It pulls me back. I literally almost can't hold on to it. It's so brutal. Yep, it can really. No doubts on that. like how the throttle feels. I really like that. Okay, quick shifter, not bad. Doesn't feel bad at all. The rev range, it's ending up at 12,000. It's got one more 1,000 on red. It just runs smooth, you have no troubles with it. It's just an amazing bike overall. At this point, I don't even know how and what to compare it to, because besides an inline 4, the power is just so much more at the lower RPMs. I mean, you got it more, not that you wouldn't have enough power, or it won't be power-wise like a inline 4. It definitely has its power on the higher RPMs, but still, this is just incredible. This thing is just brutal, bro. Holy f***, Jesus. It's just smooth, brother. You can't ride slow with it, because it just has that dumb amount of power that you have to be in first and second gear in such situations. You see, I'm forced to. If I don't switch to first gear, then it's gonna be dumb. And when it's in first gear, it's just literally a gun. This is not a motorcycle anymore, this is a gun. The view is low-key fire though. There is some wind that I'm feeling, but not in a crazy way, if you know what I mean. The brakes are very, very good. This thing is just crack, bro. I have no words. It left me speechless. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This thing left me speechless. It's just an unbelievable amount of power. With sound as well. Like, what else could you ever want? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this thing is just cracked. I love how it pops. SC Project on it really feels. I'm in love with SC Project anyway, like on almost any bike. But on this V4 it just fits so well. I think there's a slight delay in the power delivery. Just as you hit the throttle, kind of feels a little bit weird, but just a little bit, not too much. Still 100. It's just so much power, so much fun. It's also a naked bike, you can have fun with it. You can lean with it. You know how it goes. He was looking like, Jesus, I need one to this bicycle, man. F with this bicycle, man. I want to buy a bike too. What are those guys braking about? Because I can't really understand. If you drive like an idiot, I'm gonna overtake you. And then I'm gonna ride you. Comfortability test, standing up. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. But still, it's such a sportive position. The fans. Brother! Bro, it's so nice to ride outside. The weather is just amazing. This thing just launches you. Yeah, I got it. Feels amazing. I'm gonna overtake you now. Throttle response is immediate. The brake, the engine brake is just wow. As soon as you let go of the throttle, bro, it puts you in the head. Like, what? Hella nice, hella nice. My back is already hurting. it's naked, but with a sportive position is just something. The best of both worlds. Not such super sportive. I mean, you can sit straight. I have ridden aggressive a lot, so yeah, I guess that's the reason. But now standing up, it just feels amazing. Dankeschön.